Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Geismar, Louisiana is a community shaped by both deep agricultural roots and modern industry. Geismar is an area in Ascension Parish located along the east bank of the Mississippi River between Baton Rouge and Gonzales. While it may appear quiet at first glance, this area has played an important role in the region's economic development for well over a century. Geismar's early history is closely tied to the Mississippi River and the plantation system that dominated southern Louisiana during the 19th century. The fertile floodplain supported large sugarcane plantations, and like much of Ascension Parish, the economy depended heavily on enslaved labor prior to the Civil War. River access allowed crops and goods to move efficiently, making this corridor one of the most productive agricultural regions in the state. During the Civil War, the Mississippi River became a major strategic objective for Union forces. While Geismar itself was not the site of a major battle, military activity along the river disrupted plantation operations and river commerce. After the war, the local economy slowly rebuilt, transitioning from plantation-based agriculture to a mix of farming, river trade, and later industrial development. Flooding remained a constant threat well into the 20th century. The Great Mississippi Flood of 1927 had a lasting impact on communities throughout Ascension Parish, including Geismar. In response, levee systems were expanded and reinforced, permanently changing the relationship between residents and the river. Today, the Mississippi often remains hidden behind these levees, but its influence is still felt in the layout of roads and industry. In the mid to late 20th century, Geismar became part of Louisiana's industrial corridor. Chemical plants, refineries, and manufacturing facilities were built near the river to take advantage of shipping access and existing transportation routes. This industrial growth brought jobs and infrastructure, but also transformed the landscape, placing large facilities alongside rural homes and open land. As we drive through Geismar now, you'll see a blend of residential neighborhoods, industrial complexes, and remaining agricultural spaces. Many people who live here work in nearby plants, schools, or surrounding communities, while others have family ties that stretch back generations. This drive offers a glimpse into a place where history isn't marked by monuments, but by land use, labor, and the steady presence of the river just beyond the levee.